Yes, you're welcome to class. Today, we're going to talk about our flat keys. On our last lecture or lesson, we talked about our sharp keys. That's, if you are counting them in ascending order, so uh, you are sharpening those keys. So, and that is where we regard all these black keys to be sharp: C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, and G sharp. So today we'll be talking on descending order. It's just like when you are climbing your staircase up, and when you're about to go to your work, or and you still have to climb it down. You have to descend. So now, if you are descending, if you are descending, irrespective of descending on or ascending, your white keys still remain major. They still remain C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C. And the same thing, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, and C. Right? Fine. All these black ones too, so they still remain, but it's the same tone, and that's why we call them harmonic keys, because they bear different names, but they give you the same tone that you expected of them. It's like me now. If you call me Samuel, I answer. If you call me Tunde, I answer. If you call me Oladimeji, I answer. If you call me Akonji, I answer. If you call me Tisam, I answer. Still the same me. And the same thing in regards to all these black keys. If you call them C, if you call this one C sharp, it will answer you. If you call this one D flat, it will also answer you. That's what we'll be doing today. Now let's start from this MC sharp. Now, if you are descending, now it will now be, this key is in between two white keys, which is your C and your D. So if you are going from your C up, is C sharp, abi? Now let's now check the other side of it. If you are going from D now downward, are you seeing it now? That now, if you're now going downward, this one is upward and this one is downward. If you're now going downward, so to this, if you're moving from here to here now, it will now be D flat. Are you now getting the point? That if you are moving upward, it's C sharp. If you are moving downward, it's D flat. Why is it D flat? It's because there is the second key that bears this one key. That is, in between these two keys, we have this. So it can either be sharp or flat. Do you now get that? Okay, now if you are now going downward, it will be flat. If you are going upward, it will be sharp. Now let's move to the second one. Also in between two keys, D and E. In our previous lesson, we said this one is what D sharp. Now it won't be D sharp. It will now be E flat, because this is E. And if you are going or coming downward, it will be flat, and we call it E flat. There's nothing in between this. Now let's come to the next. This is F and this is G. Now, if you are to go or to come downward, what will this be? You get it. To be your G flat, because this is G. And if you are coming downward, it will be flat. That is, you are bringing it down. You are bringing this down. That's why we are moving here. So it will be your G flat. The same thing here, we have G, we have A. If you are coming down, this one will be what? In fact, anything more with you. A flat. Now, if you are coming here, this is our last one. This is your A and this is your B. So if you're now coming down from here, what would it be? B flat. You get it right. So and that's just it. So these black keys, they can either be flat or sharp. That's why we've just done. If you are going upward, it will be sharp. C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. Then if you are coming downward, D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, then B flat. I hear somebody saying four flat. Three-bedroom flat. So that's just about it. So I want to believe we all enjoyed the class, and I think you understand. And whatever I don't understand, you can drop it in the comment section. I will attend to every questions. And to some people that have dropped their own questions, don't worry, we're working on it. I'll pile everything up in a video and I'll answer every questions. Don't worry. So in our next class, we'll be talking about our clef, our treble and our bass clef. No be sound clef, no be white clef. We're talking about our clef. And I want to believe or you begin one or two things. And whatever you don't understand again, you can go back to those videos, watch them. You can even download them, watch them, and there's nothing hard in it. So don't worry, you definitely be getting it. And follow my for all my social media page, Facebook, Instagram, um, TikTok, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I've not done that. So thank you.